Cassandra Li Ong, better known as Cassandra Ong, once detained, is now reportedly at large. This development has sparked fierce concern among law enforcement and lawmakers alike. Senator Sherwin Gachillian publicly confirmed that Ong was released from the Correctional Institution for Women, citing information from the Department of Justice's officer in charge, Frederick Vita. According to Gachillian, her release coincided with Congress transition from the 19th to the 20th and, crucially, came before any formal criminal case had been filed against her. By the time a case was brought forward, a qualified human trafficking charge tied to her alleged role in the Lucky South 99 offshore gaming complex, she was already free. As a result, Gachillian says she is now being sought, with an arrest warrant already issued. Details from the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, PAOCC, paint a worrying picture. It reported that, after her release, AON was last tracked in Japan around the first quarter of this year. PAOCC also disclosed that there's an Interpol red notice out for her, underlining the international dimension of her flight risk. Meanwhile, Senator Risa Hontiveros has called for the immediate cancellation of her passport and for stronger coordination with international authorities. To bring her back, to understand the gravity of why Ong is such a central figure, one must look at her Lucky South 99 connection. She served as the authorized representative of that POGO firm, a role that gave her deep operational ties to the company. Lucky South 99, based in Porac, Pampanga, has been at the center of human trafficking allegations. According to court records, the RTC issued warrants of arrest against Ong and others in May over qualified human trafficking linked to the compound. In sum, Ong was held under congressional contempt, but was released during a legislative transition before criminal charges were filed. Now, with a case against her and authorities searching, her disappearance raises serious red flags. Her links to Lucky South 99 make the stakes even higher, not only for POGO-related investigations, but for human trafficking accountability.